Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change shipping method on SHEIN. If you have not placed the order yet, you can change the shipping method during checkout. So firstly open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down shein.com and enter it. And once you're inside the SHEIN homepage, what you need to do is you need to select this icon that is cart and simply select view cart. And after that you need to click onto this checkout now. Under the shipping method here. And over here, what you need to do is you need to select for the location for the shipping. And you can type down your first name or your last name. And after that, you need to follow the on-screen instruction. You need to select your preferred option such as standard or express if available. And you need to complete your payment as well. And that is it. This is how you can change your shipping method on SHEIN under this location. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.